How's it going? So we're gonna make this, and it's gonna stick, right? So you see I'm clicking on the element and it's sticking. And this is pure CSS, there's no JavaScript in here. Alright, so let me delete the code. Let me delete the code real quick. So the first thing we need to do, we need to create a navbar. So we're gonna call it dev navbar, like this. We'll give it a blue border so we can see it. Okay. Right, so next we need to create a nav item. So let's do div. Let's copy this. And then we're gonna call this item 1. You can do it through UL and list items if you want. Okay, so this one, let's give it a red border. So it's gonna have red border. Let's give it... Actually, we need to give our navbar a bit of padding so it doesn't look very bad. So let's do padding 40 pixels. I don't really care about decorating right now. Padding, I don't know, 20 pixels, whatever. Okay, so what does it look like so far? Okay, so we need to make this. So this will be our item 1. And then we need to make width, fit content. What does it look like now? Okay. Forgot to save in here. Item 1. Okay, so let's do cursor, pointer, and let's do on hover, color red. So as soon as we hover on it, it will become red. Okay. So now we need to, when we click, a div appears. So first thing, we need to create this div inside of the div item 1. So let's do div hidden item, hidden menu. Let's call it hidden menu. And let's say, I don't know, let's do list 2 items. Let's put 2 items into it. Whoopsie. So let's do, I don't know, blah 1, blah 2. Alright, so how does it look? Okay, so there it is. Blah 1, blah 2, okay. So now I need to do okay, so this needs to be, well, let's make it disappear first. So it's gonna be display none. Okay, so here is how you make it appear. You use a pseudo element, it's called this focus within, but for it to work we have to put this, we have to put tab index to 1. Whatever, you can put any tab index, you can make it 1,000,000 if you want, doesn't matter. But this code is essential for this focus within to work. So now we take this item here, which is the parent, right? Focus within, and the element that you want inside of this div to be affected, which is this one here. And then display, we're gonna do display block, like this. So you see, as soon as we click on item 1, this item here appears. So now we need to deal with 2 things. One is to eliminate, you see, like this thing here becomes red. We don't want that to happen. Okay, so we need to first we need to make sure that position relative, and then this position will be absolute. Position absolute. So this will remove, you see, so now it's appearing here. So when you make position absolute, it removes it from the DOM. So now it's going to appear here. Okay, now next we probably need to maybe put some padding in here. Let's do 10 pixels. And let's put a border on it, green. Okay, so now it's appearing. So now let's make Z index. So, yeah, we need to make Z index. And then we need to background color, white, Z index. Let's do 10. And then let's do left 0. Let's see, okay. So now we need to move it a little bit to the bottom. I don't know, top, let's do 20 pixels like this, will it work? Oh, it's going the other way around. I think it's minus 100%, right? Let's try minus 100%, whoops. Oopsie, like this, I think. Let's try. Oh, okay. What happens if we do top 0? Okay. Yeah, we need to do minus 100%. Whoopsie. I'm not super good with this. Anyway, yeah, let's just do it this way. I don't know, let's do... Because that's an offset, right? I don't know, let's do 50 pixels. Anyway, let's do, I don't know, 70 pixels. Okay. Okay, so now we need to get rid of the... and we can just do color black. And then probably color black as well. Whoops. Let's see, is it going to work? Yeah, there you go. All done. So you see you can now click inside of this thing and it's still going to stick. And there is no hover effect being passed into this thing here. And that's it. Take care, bye bye. Okay, one more thing I've fixed is that you see, if you hover away from it, so you see, this is what I fixed basically. You see, if you hover away from it, this does not become red. So we want this to stay red when this thing is open. So we need to add basically div navbar item 1 focus red. So when this item is focused, when it's clicked, it stays red, you see? Not only is it on hover red, but also when you click on it, it becomes red. And then you see now you can navigate. And then that's it. Take care.